Hello, I am Roland KWEMAIN, leadership coach and trainer, founder of Go Ahead Africa Limited. Life is not always an easy journey, and most of the time, life is not always fair. There are days with and days without. There are ups, there are downs. From being the first son of 10 children within a very humble family to becoming 2010 JCI World President, social entrepreneur, husband, father, and so on. These are just some of the roles that have inspired me to write my various books. The question is, who is Roland KWEMAIN? What are the ingredients of my ability to create impact? What are my joys, my sorrows, my successes, my failures, my challenges, my worries, my frustrations? Through my writings, I invite you to see opportunities where others will see obstacles, light where others will see darkness, addition where others will see subtraction, multiplication where others will see division. The truth, life is all about perception and mindset. I share with you the values that have shaped my journey, my career, and which I strongly believe in. Professional life, family, friends, community engagement, spirituality. Throughout my books, a vision of life emerges. A philosophy, a way of thinking, of speaking, of acting, in order to achieve outstanding levels of performance. These simple but so relevant advices round off a fascinating read, which, if you haven't already done so, will give you the desire to bring positive change around you. Now, let us bear in mind, dear friends, that nothing will change around us if nothing changes within us. Thanks to the conferences, training, and coaching that have facilitated in over 90 countries worldwide, I share with you the daily recipes for a fulfilling and impactful life, both personally and professionally. I sincerely hope that these books will have the effect of a mirror. Now, a mirror that reflects back to you, the reader that you are, the image of realities that you are not always aware of. Realities, some of which are deeply buried, I will say latent, if not dormant, within each and every one of us. Realities which, when awakened, can make life much more exciting by overcoming the limits sometimes imposed by the mental system. Through a selection of my career as coach, trainer, entrepreneur, and above all, episodes from my family life that, dear friends, are worthy of a novel, I would like to share with you my strong convictions about the central role that everyone has to play at their own level to develop aptitude, attitude, and above all, to take impactful actions. Talking about impactful action, it could simply consist of putting a smile on the face of someone in distress, or giving a helping hand to someone who least expect it. In short, actions that are useful to others. You know, we say action speaks louder than words. Happiness has a rather strange arithmetic formula. It multiplies when it is shared. Dear friends, don't hesitate to take ownership, I will say full ownership, of the tools developed in my books, so that the much hope for change around us and within us becomes a pleasant reality. As a reminder, impactful leaders are learners. I will even say readers. If they stop learning and reading, they stop performing. Enjoy your reading, and I look forward to seeing you very soon on our different social media platforms.